Today we're making spring rolls, which is also known as Lumpiang Shanghai. And the ingredients that we'll be using are ground pork, so this is 1/2 kilo, a medium-sized onion, 2 small carrots, spring roll wrappers, soy sauce, pepper, and we'll also be using some flour later and water to seal the spring rolls. Let's start by chopping our onion. Next, get a cheese grater and use the coarse grate setting, so the bigger ones. And then use it for your carrots. Next, add your carrots and your onions to the pork. Then add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And pepper. Okay, then using your hand, mix all the ingredients in. Okay, after working the meat for about 3 minutes, you'll end up with a very sticky mixture. So you'll notice that we didn't use any egg to bind the ingredients together. Just by massaging the meat for 3 minutes, we can actually bind the ingredients together. Okay, so set that aside. Okay, next step is you form an assembly line. So I have here my spring roll paper. So this is 6 by 6 inches. And prepare your meat here. And I mixed about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with equal amount of water. You can dilute it further if it's too thick. So we're going to use this to bind or to close and seal the spring rolls later. And have a tray ready so you can place your rolls when you're done wrapping. So the way we'll do this is we'll use 2 wrappers. Okay. Put filling at the bottom. About this much. So use the flour to stick the wrappers together. Fold it in. Keep it tight. Okay. Seal the edges. Okay. And you've got one. So do the same for the rest. Okay, we're done wrapping, so now let's cook. Next, in a pan, add in about 1/2 inch of cooking oil. So you can use vegetable oil or canola oil. And once it's hot already, lower the heat to a minimum. And then add in your spring rolls. Okay, check. Already has a golden brown color, so a bit more. Okay, that's the color that you want. Start flipping. Okay, these are done. Put them on a rack so you can drain the excess oil. Let's add in the next batch. Okay, so we're done with the second batch. Now let's taste. So this is best paired with sweet chili sauce. Dip and take a bite. It's really good. It has a really crispy outer layer, and the inside is really chewy and tasty, and you can really taste the soy sauce and all of the ingredients. Very simple dish to make, and we're done for the day.